So good morning everyone. I'm cleaning this little baby. I got this from Walmart and it's already moldy. So I'm going to change the you see how green it is? Is that a mold? This is a new one. I got like a lot of nice one that I rehab them. I usually break the thing in the flower, but I hope this time I won't break them. I'm gonna remove them slowly because it's packed inside and my plant cannot breathe. Guys, don't worry about killing your plants. No, you're not killing your plants when you do this method. Is because as soon as you only cut the dead roots, but the roots for this one, there's only one dead. I think this is the one that is dead. So I'm going to cut this, and then before I transplant it, I'm going to soak this in a water for 20 minutes. So there is the dead roots over there, so I'm gonna cut that off. There is no use, it's just making the plants more sick. And there are a couple of dead roots now. They're getting ready to go, and soak them for 20 minutes before I transfer them in his new pot. So they'll be ready to go here in a minute. That's a water. It's 55 degrees, not so cold, not so hot. Now that my flower is soaked, guys, this thing is frozen. This is a winter thing. It's because I can tell it's frozen. That's why they put on a sale, because the leaves is something going on in there. It's like a I cannot that leaves over there that looks like a dot. It's because it was in the cold, so that's why they put them on sale. So in Kansas it's pretty hot weather, so I got this rock with a tiny bit of water underneath, just to give a little bit of moisture, not too much moisture, or else your plant is not gonna survive, because this is an air plant, not a water plant. But if you introduce him into water, I haven't tried a water culture yet, but I want to try it this way. So this is the orchid bark that I bought online. I had to ship it from Amazon. It's because I couldn't find this kind over here. So now that my plants are soaked, so I'm just go ahead and transport this one in here. The reason I put Phalaenopsis in there, The reason I put a mix up with the sphagnum moss, it's because it will give a moisture. Just in case I'm a beginner orchids and figure it out in a high, in a very dry place to where I'm at. I figure it out how to do this air plant. This is a miniature Phalaenopsis. They call it darling. I got like 3 of them in here. Actually, they survived. So this bark, they ship it to me. It's already moist. So mix it up with some of this nice, I'm gonna do it carefully, nice sphagnum moss, so you don't over cover it just like that, because they need an air to breathe. The reason I like the miniature one, it's because easy to put them inside my house. So there you go. There she is. She's not gonna die. So don't be scared taking out the old sphagnum moss that they had. The reason I have this transparent, it's because I want to monitor my roots. If the roots turn greener and fat and thing, then that means your orchid is really good. But if the roots is dying, so you need to rescue your orchids. So far, I got a lot of them that is doing really, really good.